It's 10 rebounds para dito kay Abay. Marcio, quick release. He lights it up.
Iba talaga si Marcio pag naiwan mo open, lalo pag nasa kanto.
Ardo, Taudua, and Lassiter with him. Marcio, quick release. Bang!
Bumanda ba yun? Parang bumanda pa yun.
Hindi mo pwede iwanan sa kanto talaga.
Quinto puts it up.
Oh, that's a big one.
Wow!
That's a big one.
Malik C thought about it.
There's
Gives it up.
Banquero.
Newsom from the corner.
Plano na yan eh. Nakaplano na yan eh.
Ayun eh. Kaya kinakabahan ako for San Miguel kasi nakasona ulit sila eh.
Basket timeout to para sa San Miguel. Nakapili na yan sa table officials. All of a sudden, it is Beralco up by 2.